Welcome to the channel. My name is Further World Reacts, and if you see a modern woman that can't change her tire, then she got it. She's independent. Wait, like, subscribe, if you're new, hit the bell for notifications. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight to it.
Pro tip, if you ever want your brakes to stop squeaking, just put some wheel bearing grease on the road.
Oh my God! She's not technically wrong. You'll stop squeaking. My vehicle doesn't squeak at all anymore. No squeaking whatsoever. It is, however, in a river because I couldn't stop.
This is the independence of a modern woman. First of all, ma'ams, how's the independent life going? See, this is the thing about these modern women nowadays. They're gonna forever say they don't need a man. Best advice I can tell you to do is just leave them alone. Let them find out for themselves. If they gonna get that hurt, they gonna have to get that hurt on their lonely.
You're so dumb.
I'm doing that shit right. I promise to God I am.
You are really dumb.
When you don't have a spare.
Yo! I know that ain't what I think it is. She look up like, you recording this? Yo! Shorty's really putting tape on the tire. This is not that, sis. It's not gonna work. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. If you're like, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. I will catch you next video. If you enjoyed this video, share with a friend, show no family member, and I will catch you next video. Before you go, check out the ego boosted modern woman changing her tire right there on the screen. See you next video.